Why 90% of your assets will vanish in the 2026 transfer. Seriously, stop what you're doing for a second. Put down that overpriced coffee, close the tabs on those mindless distractions, and look at the things you proudly call your assets. Have you ever stopped to wonder why you're working harder than ever, earning more nominal dollars than your parents ever dreamed of, yet the feeling of true financial freedom and security feels like a disappearing mirage on a scorching desert highway? In the brutal, unforgiving reality of 2026, we aren't just facing another market cycle or a temporary recession. We are standing at the epicenter of a systematic financial purge. It is a massive, orchestrated transfer of power where 90% of what you currently hold, your bank balances, your real estate equity, your 401ks, and your insurance contracts, is silently evaporating in real value right before your eyes. If you are still operating with a 2010 or even a 2020 mindset, you aren't an investor. You're a ghost standing on a train platform watching the engine of your wealth scream toward a cliff. Let's expose the cold, hard truth of the 2026 transfer and identify the only fire exit before the door is welded shut for good. I'm not talking to you from a pedestal of perfection. To be honest, it hurts to admit, but I used to be a victim of my own naivety. I remember the time when I truly believed that a good job, a stable savings account, and a couple of rental properties meant I was set for life. I looked at my personal balance sheet and felt wealthy. I told my family, "Don't worry, we've got assets, we're safe." Then 2026 hit like a bucket of ice water to the face. I realized a terrifying truth. The things I called assets were actually just paper promises from a system drowning in over $300 trillion of global debt. When real-world inflation started dancing in double digits, and when property taxes and service fees began to skyrocket to fund bankrupt municipalities, my wealth was revealed as a hollow shell. I still had the same number of square feet and the same digits in my banking app, but their purchasing power had been sheared like a sheep in spring. I realized I wasn't the owner. I was just a temporary renter of my own life, paying tribute to the banks and the government for the privilege of existing. We've been lulled into a coma by the illusion of stability, only to wake up broke in a system where the rules of the game were changed overnight. That is the greatest scam of the 21st century. Look at the macro horror show of 2026. U.S. national debt has screamed past the 40 trillion mark, and global debt is an incomprehensible monster. Do you understand what that actually means? It means every fiat dollar you hold is a debt note from a debtor who is fundamentally insolvent. To keep the machine running, the powers that be only have two moves left. First, print more currency to dilute the debt, which is just a fancy way of picking your pocket through inflation. Second, direct confiscation through new wealth taxes, emergency levies, and digital freezes. In this transfer, 90% of traditional assets will vanish because they are permission-based assets. Your money in the bank has the legal right to bail in your deposits to stay afloat. Your real estate? The government has the power to revalue it or tax it into oblivion. Your stocks? The exchanges can and will pull the kill switch the moment the market panics. You are betting your family's entire future on the competence and the goodwill of the people holding the printing press and the pause button of the entire global economy. Do you really think that's a smart move? Or are you just volunteering to be the exit liquidity for this purge? Seriously, wake up! Let's talk about a story of awakening. Meet Maya, a tech consultant I spoke with recently. A few years ago, Maya was like 90% of the population. She had her head down, funneling her life's work into the safe zone, mutual funds, a high-yield savings account, and a suburban home. But Maya saw the cracks when big banks started limiting cash withdrawals, and the rollout of CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, became the primary talking point of every global summit. Maya performed a financial jailbreak. She liquidated her non-performing real estate, pulled her melting savings out of the legacy system, and shifted her primary energy into Bitcoin. And here is the drama of 2026. While the old financial system is shaking with the tremors of 1,000 earthquakes, and while Maya's friends are watching their titles and balances lose 50% of their real-world purchasing power, Maya is standing on solid ground. Her assets aren't just holding steady, they are thriving because they are decentralized and permissionless. The legacy system absolutely hates Maya. Why? Because Maya is no longer their hostage. She isn't afraid of inflation, she doesn't care if a bank freezes its doors, and she can't be taxed into poverty by a desperate bureaucrat. Maya has achieved true asset sovereignty. The question for you today is, do you want to stay in the line with the 90% waiting to be sheared? Or do you want to join the 10% of sovereign ghosts like Maya? In 2026, the line between the rich and the poor isn't measured by how many dollars you have. It is measured by your escape velocity, how fast your assets can move out of the fiat splash zone. Bitcoin is not just another investment or a speculative play. It is a lifeboat. It is the only asset in existence that isn't someone else's liability. Your bank account is the bank's debt. Your pension is the government's promise. But Bitcoin? Bitcoin is math and energy. It is the only asset with a hard-coded DNA of absolute scarcity that does not depend on a central institution to exist. It lives in a world that politicians can't print away. Stop trading your life's energy for rocks, the heavy, stationary bricks of the old world like overpriced real estate or digital digits in a banking app, and then acting shocked when they weigh you down during a flood. You need an asset that is fast and light. You need the ability to carry your entire life's work across a border in your head if you had to. That is what true wealth looks like in the 21st century. A lot of you are saying, but I own land, I own a home, I'm safe. Really? Have you forgotten that throughout history, real estate is the first thing a desperate government targets? Land can't fly, it can't hide, and it is incredibly easy to reappraise. In the 2026 transfer, high-tax real estate will become a liability, a cost center, rather than a store of value. If you don't have a liquid and sovereign asset like Bitcoin to offset those costs, you will be pinned down to your property as the system collapses around you. True wealth in 2026 is a combination of knowledge and decisive action. The winner is the one who realizes the old aim has ended. 90% of wealth will vanish from the hands of the passive, those who believe the experts on TV and trust the system's promises. That wealth will flow directly into the pockets of the 10% who understand digital scarcity. Wise individuals don't wait for the news to confirm the crash. They act while the crowd is still confused. If you move even 10% or 20% of your net worth into Bitcoin, you have essentially bought insurance for the other 80%. That is the only way to avoid becoming a financial ghost in this ruthless transfer. So, right after this video, I want you to perform a stress test on your life. Inspirational coach, empowering and uplifting with a steady, reassuring voice. If the banks closed for a month, or if the dollar lost 20% of its value in a week, how much control would I actually have over my life? If the answer is 0, then congratulations, you are the primary target of the 2026 purge. Don't let your life's work turn into smoke because of your own stubbornness. Start learning how to use a private wallet. Start learning how to own Bitcoin the right way. Don't wait until 90% of your assets have vanished to realize you were standing on the wrong side of history. Did this video make your blood run cold? Good. That means you're finally paying attention. Smash that like button to help us beat the algorithm. Share this with your loved ones who are still asleep at the wheel, and don't forget to subscribe to Future Freedom 360. Let's find the exit together. This is Future Freedom 360. Protect your wealth before the system protects it for you forever. Let's build.